Now that Python is loaded, we're going to want to load the exercises and examples from Murach.com. That's Murach.com. Once you get to the site, it may be a little confusing, a lot of buttons to hit. There's some instructions in the appendix A of your book that go over the loading these exercises. Um, they change this page a fair amount. So the instructions in the book, the current print of the book, currently do not work. Um, but what you can do is if you type in Python, since this is Python class, and you've purchased a Python book and enter it, it's going to pull up all the books they have out there. And what we need to do is find the book that we're using, Python programming. And once we're here, let's go to the free downloads. And you'd see some, chapters you could download, free samples they give out to people to, try to booster the sales of the book. But at the very bottom, you see where it says Appendix A. There's a download here. We could either do a exe file, self-extracting zip for Windows, or we can get a regular zip. And I'm going to go with the exe. And click on it. And I'm going to save it. If you've never been to this site before, it's going to probably ask you to type in email address and name. It's all free downloads. They're just looking for potential customers. There's a little thing at the bottom of it. You could check and say that you're not interested in getting their junk mail. You may have to do that first. But once you do that, it lets you download. You could go to the location where it downloaded, and you see a Python all files exe. In the case of myself, I've downloaded it multiple times, and it just put a 1 on there. Yours probably won't unless you download multiple times. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to let it do its good stuff. And it's going to want to put it on the as a root folder on my C drive. That is good because that matches what you see in the actual book. I mean, if you don't want to put it there, or for whatever reason you don't have the rights on your computer to put it there, that's no problem. Put it in another directory, and you just have to realize that when reading the book, if they say one directory path, you might have to go somewhere else because you have it in another folder. Once you have that done, we can start to do some of the exercises in the book.